Hi, welcome to my channel Benri.TV. Today I'm making a dragon roll sushi, tempura shrimp and cucumber inside with avocado on top. Making rice good is the most important thing for the sushi making. When you cook rice, please use short grain rice. I'll be using Japanese rice nishiki today. Combine rice vinegar and sugar and pour on top of the hot rice. Mix well, but try not to smash it. I purchased this pre-fried tempura shrimp from Costco. I'll try to show you how to make tempura from scratch another time. I simply fried them for 2 minutes and shrimp tempura is done. I also found this cucumber at Costco. They are long and straight. Looks like perfect for sushi making. Cut the seeds out from the middle. Divide the cucumber into 8 pieces. Then sprinkle some salt and toss them around. The shrimp and cucumber are now ready to be rolled. Nori or seaweed sheets are so crunchy that all you have to do is fold it in half to cut it equally. Spread the rice on the nori sheet. Make sure to cover all the edges. Okay, the rice looks level now. Then flip the whole sheet over. This Costco shrimp is pretty straight. Deep fried shrimp tail you can eat, but I'm just gonna cut it off this time. Lay the shrimp without a space. Try not to make too much gap between shrimp and cucumber. You can squeeze together. Push down the shrimp and cucumber with 2 fingers. Then roll it up. Apply pressure with one hand and pull the top with another hand. The rice should not be smashed, but tight enough to hold the shrimp and cucumber in the middle. Cut the avocado in half. I like to poke the seed out. Spray lemon juice. This should prevent the avocado from turning brown. Peel the skin gently so that you don't make a mark on the surface. After thinly slice the avocado, press it down to almost flat. The length of avocado should be the same as the nori sheet. Spray lemon juice again. Now avocado is ready to go on the rice. Use a knife to transfer avocado from cutting board onto the rice. See how the avocado is beautifully laid out? Cover with plastic so the layer will mess it up. Then apply pressure so that avocado will stick on the rice. It's looking pretty nice. It is easier to cut if you keep the plastic on the sushi. Oops, I noticed a split in the center. It's just because I used the knife to poke the seed out. It's okay, I will just cover with masago. Lastly, apply pressure one more time because when you cut the sushi, finger pressure sometimes creates dents. I like to add masago or tobiko for topping. Sweet unagi sauce goes well with dragon roll sushi. So I dab on the side to dip it. It looks pretty yummy. The dragon roll sushi is all done. Since I have extra ingredients, I decided to put a bonus clip. I mean, I really had a lot of extra. Here's a simple cucumber sushi. This one is a skinny sushi. You use a lot less rice than dragon roll sushi. Don't put rice on the top and bottom edge. If the rice come out from the side, you can push it in. The cucumber sushi is usually cut in 6 pieces. The cucumber sushi is the easiest and the simple one to make. It's done. Enjoy! The technique of flipping the nori sheet over is called uramaki. You can sprinkle some sesame seed or masago and so on. This one I add imitation crab. Because imitation crab is straight, it's easier to control. After cutting the pieces, don't forget to put the plastic over and reshape the sushi. Here's another kind of uramaki sushi. This one, I'm using masago on the top of rice. Masago is a tiny fish egg. It tastes sweet and add nice color to sushi. Same method as sesame one. Nice contrast on the plate. I hope you enjoy the bonus clip. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.